For making bread pizza, we need chopped green capsicum, chopped red capsicum, chopped onions, sliced olives, sliced mushrooms, cheese, tomato sauce, Szechuan sauce, chili flakes, mixed herbs and bread slices. For making instant pizza sauce, take a bowl and add Szechuan sauce, tomato sauce and mix herbs. Mix everything well and our instant pizza sauce is ready. For pizza toppings, take a bowl and add green capsicum, red capsicum, onion, salt, mixed herbs and oil. Here I have not added the olives and mushrooms. We will add them separately. Now let's assemble the pizza. For that, take a bread slice and apply the prepared pizza sauce generously. Add the pizza toppings. Add few slices of mushroom, some olives, finally top it up with cheese. I ran out of shredded cheese, so here I am using cheese slice, which I have cut into small pieces. Sprinkle the bread pizza with chili flakes and mixed herbs. Add a slice of butter in a pan and let it melt. Place the prepared bread slice, cover the lid and let it cook on low heat until the cheese melts. Once done, uncover the lid and take out the bread pizza in a plate. So here is our bread pizza ready. We will now cut them into slices. See how nicely our pizza is cooked. Serve the bread pizza with chili flakes and mixed herbs. That's all for today's video. Hope you all have liked it. If yes, then please like, comment and share this video with all your friends and family members. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.